On April 2nd and 3rd, 2022, WinterGarden, a small historic city just north of Orlando, held its 20th annual Spring Fever in the Garden. It was put on by the Bloom and Grow Society and held in the downtown area of Plant Street in WinterGarden, and was filled with all of your quintessential items that honored both spring and gardening. A true spring sensation. The festival offered everything from a chalk art contest of nature-related chalk art, which filled the sidewalk with so many talented artists of all ages, not sure how they were able to choose a winner. To a kid zone, vendor booths selling a wide array of flowers and foliage of nature-related arts and crafts, live entertainment right in front of City Hall. There was even an Ask the Expert booth for your chance to get your questions answered on a variety of topics from some of the best horticulturists and nursery people in the Central Florida area. And for those looking for memorabilia, there were 20th anniversary t-shirts and the Year of the Butterfly limited edition shirts, along with Spring Fever ball caps, fabulous gardening gloves, the Sterling Butterfly pendant, and the Tucker Ranch oak print for sale. I love plants and gardening, so this made for a beautiful and scenic weekend stroll, as well as some great gardening purchases. And for all those with pups, it was a dog-friendly event. So if you're in Central Florida next spring, you want to make sure that this event is on your calendar. See you next time.